So, just a day after July 4th, we are hosting an awesome open house here in Safety Harbor. This house is sweet, has everything. It's pretty much updated throughout, and it's golf cart distance to Safety Harbor. So, since I'm sure maybe some of you guys are still hungover or still kind of at the beach, I figured I would just do a little quick walkthrough of this awesome house just listed at 6 Harbor Cove, listed at $515, and it's a 3-bed, 2-bath. But come on and take a look. So walking through, you do have all updated flooring, very, very nice. And then coming into the kitchen, all granite. There are a couple black appliances, and you do have the stainless steel one as well too, but our sellers have done a wonderful job on getting this place ready to sell. So, and honestly, the biggest draw to these homes in Safety Harbor, has to be the downtown area. It has to be the community feel. You just don't get that here in the Tampa Bay area. So Safety Harbor, if you don't know about it, it sits about 15, 20 minutes away from the Tampa International Airport, so you can get into downtown Tampa really fast. Or if you're flying maybe Allegiant, they also have the St. Petersburg Airport that's about 10-ish, 15 minutes away. You're close to all the major beaches, Clearwater, St. Pete. You can get down into Dunedin, which Dunedin is like a bigger Safety Harbor. But really cool. It's got the golf carts. It's got some of the best restaurants you could possibly even imagine. And we love Safety Harbor. So here's a little bit more of the home. So I'm not talking the whole way, but nice living room area, perfect for families, or just if you're hanging out by yourself. You have a nice dining room area, sweet backyard, and then we'll get into the back side of the home. Really awesome, good sized bedrooms. Got an updated bathroom through here, which is nice. Pretty much it's just move-in ready. Maybe if you wanted to change paint colors and things like that, but there's not really much else this house needs. The windows have been updated. Just a nice, good house here in Safety Harbor. Now, similar ones, this one is listed at $515. Similar ones, we actually just sold the house a couple doors down. It had a pool, and that one sold at $550. So typically pools add maybe $25,000, $30,000 worth of value. So home is priced pretty well, and we've sold multiple homes in this community. So I would say if you guys have any questions, just let us know. But thanks for coming along on this little tour, and subscribe and or DM me if you have any questions. It's not about Safety Harbor, but any community here in the Tampa Bay area. Thanks, and I hope you guys have a great after the day 4th.